Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting the Arturia unit and launching the Midi control center. Make sure the device is powered and the USB cable is secure so the app detects it immediately. Once the software lists your model, check firmware status and apply updates to avoid compatibility issues. Next, choose the specific hardware profile from the device menu. This tells MCC which parameter map to show, so you can program controls correctly and avoid mapping conflicts. With the device selected, move to Mapping. Enter Edit mode and select the physical control you want to assign. You'll pick between CC, NRPN, or note messages depending on the target. CC for continuous controls, notes for triggers. Then set value range, polarity, and any smoothing or response curves. This defines how the hardware behaves in performance. Once mappings are stable, group patched presets into banks and label them clearly, because well-organized banks speed up recall during sessions. After mapping, always save changes both to the device and as a project file on your computer so you have a restore point. Then test everything in your DAW or standalone synth. Send notes and move controls while watching MIDI activity meters to confirm messages leave the controller. If something fails, make sure MIDI ports and channels match between MCC and your software, confirm firmware is current, and reboot both units. These steps resolve most communication and mapping mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.